Okay, here's the first test. Can I make a video in my back garden? Can I use the audio? Am I too close to all my neighbours for the audio to be too noisy with all other stuff going on? It's going to be fun working it out. So as everyone else says, stay with me. I'll be right back. Before we talk about the stuff in front of us, I want to say thanks to a couple of people, a couple of other YouTubers. First one is Dave. He's known as Really Big Monkey 1, number 1. I'll put that on the screen. I love his videos. They're really honest, really ingenious, and he shows you everything, including all of his fails, so you can learn with him. And he's just fun, just a great outdoorsman. I've learnt a lot from him. And second person is Luke, the Outdoor Gear Review. Again, he's just really honest, and I've watched his videos. His production and his videos just become amazing. His walk-bys and his walkaways, he must spend so much time on them, and they're just really cool to watch. Cool videos of all sorts of different gear, all different places. And what's going on in the world right now, sort of taking over our lives, it's nice to just get away from it all sometimes, stick a video on. And these two guys really do it for me. So thanks, you two. Carry on with it. Okay, there's two reasons why I'm doing this video. One, me and a friend have been threatening to do it for ages, and what with having a bit of time on our hands, I thought, why not? I'm still working, we are key workers, so I haven't got quite as much time on my hands as some people, but I've got this weekend off, being Easter. Let's give it a go. Second reason is Luke, who I just spoke about, did a video on a piece of kit that I've also taken ages to get my hands on. As you can see from the picture, got a bit of a thing for stainless steel. And the Stanley kit, I said this was going to be a test. Got to make sure I get everything in shot. This one here, it's taken me ages to get one, and I just can't believe it took me so long, because they're brilliant, and there's various reasons for that. And I don't know if Luke's noticed all of them either, so I thought I'd just run through them, and thought that would be the idea behind the video. So let me show you. There you go, Luke, just for you. That's our version in the UK. Now I dare say everyone's seen one of these before. Let's get it in shot. For the money, it's crazy. I think I paid £17 on a certain auction site, buy it now, delivered. The quality is amazing. The locking handle was really cool. As you can see, I haven't really used it a lot. These are pretty cool, sturdy. I dare say you can run your car over them. As we know it. Quite rightly, this is probably a one-person kit, or two of you if you're out just having a day walk. Got 2 cups by inside, but if you're on your own, you can make this into something a bit more special. You would have seen I've got loads of different kits. I just try everything I can see. I tend to buy stuff second hand, not because I'm cheap, but because I just think if you can, why not? This is a generic cup from China, I think. Probably cost me about £4. It's exactly the same as the GSI one, which I know for a fact is more money than I would normally spend on anything. Good Christmas present from my wife that was, along with a Nalgene. Anyway, let's do it on a budget. So, bit of J cloth. Always need a cloth, don't you? If you don't use both of these, you can fit this in here. But you put the cup in first. You can put whatever you want in there with it. This is a little stove. Doesn't have a striker. But you've got enough room. Again, really cheap from China off of the auction sites. There are other ones. I've seen them for more money with different names on, but I buy everything as cheap as I can. I look at different ones. If they look the same, I'll buy the cheap one. If it doesn't work, you haven't really lost a lot. On the other hand, you might come away with a bargain. So, stove goes in there. Little striker. I know a lot of people don't like the small ones, but in a little kit like this, you can get a lighter in there if you wanted to. Gas. Now this lid, which is from this one, also fits the Stanley. Can't quite get it on there. The Stanley one goes on top of it. And that's an even better kit. I'm going to do this because everyone else does. It's probably not the lightest kit in the world. 768 grams. £1.11. But you've got 2 stainless steel cups, your cooker, your gas, your means of lighting it, and some coffee in there, and a cloth. I mean, if you don't want to carry much, I think that's pretty good. I don't do long hikes. We go to the woods, we walk down from the car and set up. I'm very lucky to be able to do it on some private land. So no, I'm not a milligram hiker that wants everything really light. Anyway, as you can see, there's loads more to do here. I think this will be the first of many. Let's see how it edits up, I suppose. I love these. Look at these. I'll let you guess where that come from. Stainless steel, tiny little coffee cup. Perfect. I'll get around to this one at some point. All round favourite. And I've got lots of stuff like this, which I haven't even tried yet. But as I said at the beginning, this is more to say thanks to Dave and Luke, who I know through this virus that's caused our lives to be a nightmare. They're both still making videos. I know Dave's still working as well. But just thanks for being there for some of us to just disappear into somewhere else. See you in the next one.